Here's a whiz banger of a power tip for AutoCAD users. So how can I insert a live list of the Xrefs that are in a drawing? Well, you can do this with the RTEXT command. Now say for example you have an Xref, and I've only got one in this drawing, basement 1 GA, but I want a list of what's in that drawing. So if I put in RTEXT, RTEXT, and put in D for diesel, and diesel's a type of programming language. Now this is the diesel expression to use, $, open bracket, Xrefs, comma 2, close bracket. Put that in and it'll give you a list of your Xrefs. Now what is it live? Well, let's test that. Let's add one. Xref. Let's say we'll slab on ground details, we'll add that to the sheet, overlay, relative path, that'll do. That's added to the drawing. Now nothing happens. All you have to do though is do REGEN, all, as one word, and it updates. Now that's a list of the Xref names, which are those things here. Can we get other information? Well, yes you can. If you use just Xrefs, you get the relative path with the extension there. With the one I showed you, you get the names, and if you do comma 3, you get the name and its relative location and file name.